Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Scholar is telling in Urdu language, but don't worry, I will translate it in English. Before telling the story, you are requested to subscribe the channel, like the video. Thank you. This is a story in a book, and the name of the book is Akbar al-Qasim. The story is that a young man from Damascus prepared for a trip and told his mother that the plane has some time to fly, so I am sleeping. So the young man asked to be woken up before the plane took off and then fell asleep. His mother heard on the radio that there was a strong wind blowing, the sky was cloudy, and a storm was brewing. So she was afraid for her only son. She deliberately did not wake him. This was done by his mother to pass the time, as the weather was not suitable for travel. She was afraid of this danger. When she was sure that the plane had taken off with the passengers, she came to wake up her son and found him dead in his bed. That is why Allah says in the Holy Quran,
قل إن الموت الذي تفرون منه فإنه ملاقيكم ثم تردون إلى عالم الغيب والشهادة فينبئكم بما كنتم تعملون.
Let me know. The death from which you are fleeing will overtake you. Then you will be returned to the knower of the hidden and the open, and he will inform you of what you used to do. I request you again to subscribe the channel, like the video, and don't forget to comment. Thank you. See you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.